I forgot it.
We have been planning trips, but nothing has ever materialized. But इस बार हमने ठान ली थी कि भाई एक मेमोरेबल ट्रिप करना तो बनता है, because life is all about experiences, right? And what better way to explore the seas than to go on a 5-day cruise? तो हमने कर ली अपनी booking on Cordelia Cruises and we will be traveling from Mumbai to Lakshadweep via Kochi. Cordelia Cruises is India's premier cruise line, offering luxurious and culturally immersive experiences along the country's extensive coastline. Established to promote cruise tourism in India, Cordelia combines modern amenities with traditional Indian hospitality.
हमारे गोवा के प्लान्स तो कभी मटेरियलाइज नहीं हो पाए, बट आई थिंक द यूनिवर्स हैड बेटर प्लान्स फॉर अस.
Today we are going on a luxury cruise liner to Lakshadweep via Kochi. So come join us as we set sail on an adventure of a lifetime with Cordelia Cruises. हमारा वेलकम ऑन बोर्ड हो चुका है. As you can see around us, everything is so premium and luxurious. This is going to be our home for the next few days. तो सब्र करो, हम आपको हर चीज दिखाएंगे. We just checked in and we are staying in an ocean view stateroom.
The room is quite cozy, it's very cute. It has all the basic amenities like the wardrobe, the bathroom, and of course this cozy bed that's going to be our home for the next 5 days.
5 nights, yeah, it's actually quite perfect for couples. Sadly, we are just two singles here, but maybe the next time we'll be here with our significant others. But yeah, the room is very, very cozy. There's like mood lighting. There's also a tiny little window which gives you the view of the ocean.
And we will keep journaling our stay here. So stay tuned.
The Cordelia cruise features 11 decks, each thoughtfully designed to provide a blend of comfort, entertainment, and luxury. This cruise has 3 restaurants: Starlight, Food Court, and Chopsticks. Starlight and Food Court are open to all irrespective of the package you've opted for. All your packages are inclusive of meals because आपको यहीं खाना खाना है.
So we are at Starlight Restaurant right now and I'm with my plate of dessert, but I'm already done with my meal. They have a variety of cuisines from Chinese to Indian to continental. So anything that you want, they have it here. And of course, there is another place on deck number 10 which is called the Food Court. वहाँ पे भी same menu मिलता है. Both these places are free for all. I mean, it's included in your package, so you don't have to pay for it. But there are 2 other places, which is the International Grill and Chopsticks, where you have to pay for your meals. So if you want to try something different, you can always go there. We are very happy and satisfied with the meals that we have eaten here, and every day there's a new variety, so we have no complaints and we are not going anywhere. Hi, the day is as bright as my t-shirt.
Because we are here in Kochi. As you can see, we have just disembarked from our Cordelia cruise and we are spending the day in Kochi. We are heading to a bus which is going to take us on a heritage tour of the city.
Let's see what this city has to offer. This right here is the Chinese fishing net.
So basically, this is a very old mechanism that Chinese fishermen used to use, and The interesting fact is that it is even used till today. So early morning यहाँ पे fresh catch मिलता है. Right now it's pretty much just like a tourist trap where tourists can just come and experience how these nets really work. But these are still very much used by the locals to catch fresh fish.
So you can always come here, try your hands at it, and maybe you will grab a bite or two. We are at Jewtown. This cute little lane is in Kochi. Right now, we are just shopping for some souvenirs for our friends and family before we head back to the cruise. But we've had a lot of fun exploring Kochi. Jitna bhi time tha hamare paas, I think we've done justice.
Yeah, for sure. And Jewtown is such a gorgeous area. तो basically ये वो area है जहाँ पे Jewish inhabitants back in the day रहा करते थे. Now, of course, the Jewish community has reduced quite a bit, but the area sort of still retains that character. You'll find different shops selling you souvenirs, clothes, accessories, all of that. You also have quaint little cafes and restaurants, and it's a very nice vibe to just walk around and, explore. So we'll just walk around, maybe grab a coffee and head back to the ship.
Don't forget the spice market.
So, what do you have to say about today's heritage walking tour?
Honestly, I was very skeptical because I am not one of those जो heritage walk करे और 2-3 घंटे city को explore करे. But I think I have changed my mind because it was a very good experience, and also you get to know a lot about the city. And especially when you are in a place for just like 2-3 hours, I think it's a good way to know the city better, and also like the kind of people that you meet. I think they're very, very welcoming, very cute, very nice. So I kind of had a lot of fun, I have to say. But I don't like saying it.
So, Ayman?
Yes.
So I've always been like a big fan of heritage walking tours. Wherever I go, wherever I travel, I make sure that I do at least one walking tour of the city. It just gives you a nice flavor of the city. So we're done with our walking tour. Before we head back to the ship, we have stopped at this place called Classic Art Cafe. Now Jewtown has such gorgeous vintage quaint cafes. Just look at this place, like how pretty. There's like artwork on display everywhere, and we have called for some cashew pole coffees. So yeah, let's sip and leave.
Cheers.
We are back on the ship from our shore excursion in Kochi. Sun-kissed on Cordelia. There's so much you can do on this cruise, so getting bored is definitely not an option. There's a spa where you can indulge in self-care. There's a gym that you can use. Of course, a swimming pool, and let's not forget the casino, जहाँ आप अपना luck भी try कर सकते हैं. You can also enjoy some amazing performances at the Marquee Theatre. Honestly, that was one of the highlights of our trip. So we just saw a fabulous Bollywood dance performance at the Marquee Theatre. It was so full of energy. It was amazing. What do you think?
The vibe was good, the performances were energetic, and the speakers made a huge difference.
The music was fabulous, actually. Welcome to Lakshadweep!
We are here at Agatti Island in Lakshadweep, and today we are here to do some water sports, which is snorkeling and kayaking. They have given us various options, but we've chosen these two. And we are here for how many hours?
Close to 6 hours. I think we're pretty much spending the whole day here. We left from the boat around like 10:30, 11ish.
and we'll be heading back the last tender boat that takes us back to our cruise, because the cruise can't dock at the island. So we've actually anchored offshore a little bit, and we've taken small tender boats to actually reach the island. So the last tender boat leaves at around 6. So I think we'll make a move around 5:30. So yeah, we have pretty much the entire day with us to spend. Let's go. We are going kayaking. So we are finally back from our snorkeling and kayaking excursion at Agati Island in Lakshadweep, and that brings an end to our fabulous journey on Cordelia Cruises.
We are going back to Mumbai and it will take us one more day to reach back. But our experience was nothing less than magical because everything here was so well curated for all of us. And it was an experience of a lifetime, to be very honest, because it's not every day that you get an opportunity to be on a cruise like this. So it was definitely a memory that we are going to take back home.
Yeah, for sure. And before we go, we have some pro tips for you so that whenever you book your journey, you are well prepared. You want to give the first one?
Yeah, so number one is your cabin card is your key to everything. Anything that you want to buy here, you need your cabin card. Even while getting off for excursions offshore, you need your cabin card. So for everything, you have to have your cabin card with you at all times.
Pro tip number 2. Deck number 10, which is the top deck of the ship, is your go-to for everything. If you want to catch a fabulous sunset, which you need to do every day you're on the cruise, go up to deck 10. And our personal suggestion, which we actually found out pretty late, was that if you go to the top deck late at night, after dinner, after everybody's kind of settled down, there is no crowd. It's gorgeous and breezy. You can see millions of stars in the sky. I think Cordelia also does some stargazing events, but even if you don't really go for an event, you can literally just go to the top deck, lie and look at the stars.
That was the most magical, romantic thing that we've done here.
I mean, if you're coming with your partner, must do.
And number 3 is you have to go to Marquee Theatre to see one of the performances, because all of the performances are amazing. The vibe is amazing. The people are amazing. They are professionals and you're going to love it. You know, you are definitely going to love it. So do book a performance at Marquee Theatre. कुछ free के होते हैं और कुछ paid होते हैं. So whatever you want to try it out, but definitely go to Marquee Theatre at least once.
And I think that's a wrap for us on Cordelia. Make sure you go ahead and book your journey with Cordelia Cruises now. Thank us later.
And don't forget to like, subscribe and share.